Abusa for Marco Baba Emadek TV so me pacho and then your first time o hwe Emadek TV am pacho no wa follow no wa subscribe am na wa share what di one dance ya true be say omra meka Emadek abusu ko no ene me the news bi na ebrem ya me the news bi na na mframanu manfo bia pese se maka cho se nsema ekoso de se bibi ekoso bia me de bre mahwefo ene matifu na yenko ne yenko tie news na ekoso Ghana.
The Lawrence hasn't read the full judgment of the court, the 36 pages judgment of the court. If you go to page 19 of the judgment, court on the 7 issues now, or decided or no. The 7 issues answers the questions now where Busano and the NDC people are asking. So they should read. There is pain in reading, but they should read. Because the NDC's failure to read the judgment. The NDC's failure to read the judgment, on what they give grave, Gyakye Quayson, and they are pushing him gradually into the grave. Court say, as at the time, you bet Makaso be a member of parliament and no being a member of parliament, and yet 7th January, I asked when Nipani in. As at the time, Nipano and filing a document to contest, to initiate the process to become a member of parliament. And so court's decision, or can say the emphasis on Article 94(1) is on the word qualified. A member of example, Kakran Yakoso. I say Yakobo football match. Now I can say Jacob Nabo United Television FC. You qualify to be a team player of United Television FC as at the time I will file a document to FIFA to be a footballer. You don't qualify as at the time you are standing on the pitch to play the football. It is a clear distinction. You qualify as at the time at GFA4 and no documents, no birth certificate, no many other FIFA. Or when you be determine eligibility criteria according to the rules and regulations laid down to regulate the affairs of football. But you don't qualify as at the time I walk show Jesse Awabejina Park so ya kase afa ne Jacob na ya kase or you qualify to be a footballer. No. That is not the interpretation of the Supreme Court. Qualification means the initiation of the process.
Okay.
It's the Supreme Court in who this. As at the time, Gyakye Quayson filing a document at that material moment, you be nominations in October 2020. Also filing the document. As at that time, no dual citizenship, and that matter has been established by the Cape Coast High Court, by the Court of Appeal in Cape Coast, and by the Supreme Court. If the NDC feels they have any proper and credible defense to Gyakye Quayson assembly now, review Supreme Court assembly. That would rather save them than their failure to read the judgment and again parade themselves as if say the Supreme Court or the High Court has done a disservice to them. Of course, Gyakye Quayson assembly and Jomero issue no, it was similar facts. About the same Jomero the any day. Omuri case no High Court no man beka say judicial system no enya adwuma be no de omo judge na ba so say the judicial system is working. It is the same judicial system that has said we should expunge the name of the Asin not member of parliament from the records of parliament.
Okay.
And let nobody think and let nobody behave as if say court in time will be and now court is creating a lacuna. Okay. The Supreme Court is not creating a lacuna in anybody. You are creating a lacuna for yourself. Okay. If you
my nyina I introduce laptop and a tablet or educational system no more. I mean the kind can say o ma nfa mba say dey replace textbook.
Okay.
Senior His Excellency Alhaji Bawumia edisi no say you say dey replace textbook no. Enya possible. Obi an you do resume and a laptop a complimentary.
Okay.
Omo boa omo ho. Untumi nfa textbook. Untumi nfa laptop. MBE textbook. Now on for digital textbook and to so there because and I also had a pass also laptop. I'm so bad. And it was switch laptop on, but I won't switch textbook on. Textbook air reliable digital laptop.
And the internet access crown so at the same with Chrome.
Finland air #1 OECD country. What almost the best education system in the world. Almost cramp almost replace textbook with e-textbook. Canada. And I buy in Canada. Most of the provinces in me call part of my school or Canada, basic school. And then almost use textbooks and a laptop. UK textbooks and a laptop. Almost using it together. And you know, I had there a bit to replace it. And ministry. Yes, Remo. More research beer at Chesse. sa ade we be ya na anka mo maye hu research
so waka sebo but we for findings research bia e chese ye hu se nkwada ni hia laptop nti me ye kofa ba am for survey bia sa ma abonten
because anka research bi was anka be ye pese anka na ye be na me pese mezemu na anka yes atwe aban aso egina so se aban April we I senior as you said this kind of feel electricity number 50 April
ye disconnect you ye twom nkanem
oh within 1 week central in Kwano be 15 schools fiase on Fantima de 400,000 e yo free so call Johnny Vata nurse junior senior high school or two disconnected about 20 nkwan was our stretch so between Fantima ne is ko do bra kwa ne sa ko kakra na because se ken why the charity bill disbursement is free Accra eco schools no e bit me delay 1 year e ya hu say charge for a year say man first come back e be close down
compensation grants
there be a school administrative grant of the running secondary schools for secondary school form capitation grant men kan say not charge for somewhere then on be close schools down e bu 1 year na we in arrears enti no electricity bill crampo no headmasters ni be won ma bobosia normally teachers and we say they be managing ade and enti say want to me en carry sanima we nyina when him say school bia at least nipa be averagely near about 3,000 students e was senior high school bia pre-sexy omo bro 5,000 but average number of we about 3,000 school bia omo do 2,000 cry e be so bro 5,000 but average 3,000 the school I want to mean the electricity bill what the 3,000 laptops charging e be laptop 3,000 no I had 300 I had
3,000
the charging every day because we be also textbook also we be also what the 3,000 I be can school bill and you know a whole lot of
na schools where you chom light on where nkwala better charge
because we be textbook every day bia and our maintenance issues also so I wouldn't say so what the 3,000 laptops e go for ko say mu use a e was say wo bia or permanent e yo hono ma or woman there's a very repair service senior idea because 3,000 is one number what 1.3 million
and about here more than be nipa be no do
because one class is sha into no capacity no send it here
ye beba ho
who's for me that say hana me dem be see yes mpacho me say na your first time who channel ya na wa subscribe my and no like na wa share no di ho dance ya chu bi so mra meka abusun ko no say na yin na betimi na say na news bi e koso entertainment news bi e koso bia meeting di umbrella a won so we benya update na every day bia nti subscribe ma me na share na di ho dance ya makra